Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML element, and right now we'll be discussing about horizontal dividers. Quickly, we'll create this table. So after creating this table, you know what we are going to do? If you specify borders only at the bottom of each table row, you will have a table with horizontal dividers. As you can see, the thing that is going on here is that we are going to use the border bottom property to treat this element here, the tr element. Add the border bottom property to all tr elements to get horizontal dividers. We are going to use this border bottom property to this tr element so that we can see if it's going to work with it. Quickly, back to our document. This is our document here. As you can see our document here. So it's empty right now. Let's put something here. Let's write something quickly so we can understand what's going on here. So let's write table. We need table, right? After the table, we need how many table header? We need one table header. We need quickly, we need rows. We need table rows. After the table rows, what do we need? I'm trying to be fast here because I don't want this tutorial to get too long. So we need how many header? We need th times theory. We need th times theory. We need theory header. So the th times theory I'm talking about is here. You are going to see how it looks. This is it. We need first name, last name, and savings quickly. So quickly, let's write first name. After the first name, we are going to use last name. After the last name again, we are going to use savings, right? After the savings, you are going to see what is going to happen. Let's save our document and reload it. Can you see? We are having first name, last name, and savings. Now let's go back to our document. Let's take Peter Griffin and $100. Quickly, let's get back here and write another row. TR for another row, and also inside here we need TD. We need TD times what? Times 3. Quickly, let's write something there. We need Peter, right? After the Peter, we need Griffin. We need Griffin, and what again? We need $100. I think we need $100 here. Quickly, let's give $100. As you can see, we are giving it $100. Quickly. So let's get back to the document to see how it looks. Can you see Peter Griffin $100? Quickly, let's specify another thing again. We need what? We need Lois Griffin in another row, right? Quickly, let's write another row. Inside another row, we need td times theory, right? Theory table data. So we need Lois, right? Lois. After the Lois, we need Griffin, right? We need Griffin. After the Griffin, we need what? We need $300, right? Quickly, let's write $300 and save our document and see how it looks, right? Quickly, can you see? And again, we need what again? We need Joe Swanson. Let's create another row again. TR for another row. Inside here we need 3D 3 data. So we need Joe Swanson, right? Swanson. So quickly, let's write. Oh, I think we need $300 here. $300 here. At the top we need $150, and take at the top here we need $150. So let's save our document to see how it looks. Now we are having the table that you are seeing here, right? So quickly, let's style it with our border bottom property. Quickly back to our style.css. This is an inline style.css. So let's quickly write tr. Inside our tr, we need what? We need border bottom, right? Border. We need border bottom, right? So when we use the border bottom, we are going to give it. Let's give it 4 pieces solid red. You are going to see that it's not going to work. Quickly, as you can see, it's not working. So when you specify, even if let's use border top, as you can see, it's not going to work. But just imagine when we use the table tag inside here, when we use it on the table, it's going to work. Can you see it's working on the table element, but it's not working on the table row element? Let's use table header element. Maybe it's going to work on the table header element. These are the headers. So quickly, can you see it's working on top the headers? Let's give it border bottom so you can see it clearly. So quickly, let's save our document and reload again. Can you see it's working on the header? Let's use it on this table data also, the table data cell. Let's quickly use it on it again. Maybe it's going to work. when we use it on the table data, you are going to notice that it's going to work. It's still working. So I just want you to understand this very well, that this gr element is not taking the value from what, from the border bottom or border radius or whatsoever. So as you can see, when we specify anything like border, I'm not sure it's going to display it. Can you see when you specify even ordinary border, it's not displaying it, but it can display what? It can display background property. I think it can display background property. Let's display background color, and we use blue violet here. Let's save our document and reload it. Can you see background color displays? So that's what I want you guys to understand. I want you guys to understand that this thing you are seeing here is never going to display something like you think. So that's how it works on its own. So as you can see, it's displaying background colors, but it never displays when we use the border property. If we use border property here right now, border 4 pieces solid, it's not going to work. It's not going to work at all. It's not going to work. Okay, as you can see, it never display. So that's what I want to show you guys right here. But if you use this under the td element, it's going to work. As you can see, it's going to work. So I want you guys to try this, because practice make perfect. If you don't try this, how are you going to know that it's working or it's not working? And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thanks.